Seth Gamaya Tamaso Majyotirgamaya Mritormam Ritam Gamaya Om Shanti Om Shanti Om Shanti Om Shanti Om Tat Sat.
Meaning, lead me from unreal to real, and from darkness lead me to light. That means cultivating mindfulness and awareness, seeking wisdom in daily life, embracing positivity and optimism. The lighting of the lamp symbolizes the dispelling of darkness and the awakening of knowledge and wisdom. As we prepare to commence our 11th annual day celebration, let this ceremonial act illuminate our hearts and minds, filling the event with positivity. Grandparents and Stuti and Smruti, thank you so much. Now, I would like to request our director Stuti to felicitate our esteemed guest Smruti.
Hello everybody, and I can feel and sense the excitement, the enthusiasm and the eagerness in this hall. I know each one of you are here to watch your child perform, and thank you for giving me a few moments to hear me out. So first of all, congratulations to all of you on this 11th annual day. I feel that annual days are more than just a showcasing of talent. I feel it is the glimpse of the divine presence within our children that is coming out in the form of talent. So it's really a very divine experience to watch children perform in my experience. Thank you, Stuti, Team Linden. And this Team Linden I don't know where to stop. It just keeps growing with teachers who are there now, who were there, parents. Just seems like such a beautiful community to be here and share this special day with you.
Thank you so much, Smruti, for your valuable presence today and your invaluable insights, perseverance, patience, and being in the moment. I think nobody else in the world other than children teach you how to truly be in the moment. So thank you for that. Namaste. Very good morning to our esteemed guests, our dedicated teachers, our ex-teachers. Make some noise. We are so happy to have you guys here. Proud parents, grandparents, and my dear children. It's an absolute pleasure to welcome all of you to our annual day celebration, of course, the Enchanted Forest. And it's the 11th one. Like we say in Hindi, Shagun ka 11वां, so that is the year we are in. Today is a day as much of celebration as it is of reflection and inspiration. As we gather to honor the incredible achievements of our children, teachers, and alumni, to reflect on the unique journey of Montessori education that makes our school so special. So let me begin with a quote by Dr. Maria Montessori herself. The greatest sign of success for a teacher is to be able to say, "The children are now working as if I did not exist." Mind you, this is just the opposite of what happens in traditional classrooms. This profound insight beautifully encapsulates the spirit of our Montessori philosophy. It reminds us that education is not, and I repeat, it's not about filling a child with knowledge, but empowering them to explore, create, and lead their own learning journey.
Namaste to everyone. Welcome to a place where magic whispers through the leaves, where every step reveals a hidden wonder, and the air itself feels alive with enchantment. Let me take you all on a journey to the Enchanted Forest, a realm of mystery, beauty, and endless imagination. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and step into this mystical world where dreams come to life and the extraordinary awaits around every corner. I, Miss Saira Banu, along with my co-host, Miss Sarmishta Paul, extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you on behalf of the Linden family.
Delighted and deeply honored to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests, Mr. Naveen Sheth and Mrs. Kumkum Seth, proud parents of our beloved director, Mrs. Stuti Mehrotra, and also Mr. Raghu Reddy and Srimati Roopa. It is
something new, something unique for the future leaders. So, it's time to clap for yourself and for the whole Linden team.
Owe a lot to our parents because they have done and they do a lot for us. And I know we also thank them, but I think our thank can never be enough. So I want to take this opportunity today to thank both of you, Ma and Pa, for going that extra mile and for all your sacrifices, for bringing up Soumya and I. And I want to say that whatever we are today, we couldn't have been without both of you. ये सच है कि माँ बाप का ऋण हम कभी भी चुका नहीं सकते हैं. Thank you again. We have another great success story of Nakshatra, who won a silver and a gold medal at the 10th Asian Taekwondo Championship. I am not sure if we have Dr. Girija, her mom, today in the audience here. Oh, you're here. We will call you after I talk. So, Dr. Girija will share a few words with you all today. We are so glad you're here.